Hello everyone, it's currently 4:50 in the morning and something woke me up, guys. I never wake up this early, but for whatever reason I felt I had to wake up, so I of course immediately went to check the charts and look at what we have happening right now. We have one of the biggest breakdowns that we're ever going to have of this year, with a price target all the way down here of around the 24,000 US dollar level. So we need to talk about this right now. This is an actual emergency update. I know I haven't updated you guys in like a week, but I'm back and we need to talk about this. So we have the symmetrical triangle forming since about the 20th of May. I will always come to you when there's a serious emergency happening. And we have now about the 8th of June. So this is about a 2-week pattern, if I did that math correctly, more than a 2-week pattern, and we are currently finally breaking down. We had to redraw this triangle many times throughout the weeks as we got more touch points, but this is it, guys. We have now the official breakdown towards the downside. The only thing we're really kind of missing is the volume. However, look at this. The volume we're having right now is the most volume we've had since about the 24th of May. That's the most volume in the past, I don't know, what is this? 2 weeks, guys. That's the most volume we've had in 2 whole weeks. So this is quite significant, right? We think, okay, this is low volume, and it is low volume if you really zoom out for Bitcoin, but within the past 2 weeks, this is the most volume that we've seen, and we are still currently breaking down. So I need to rush this video to get this out as fast as I possibly can. So we need to look at the volume profile here, and let me just edit it so that we get a bit more touch points here, and we're gonna have to go out to about the daily. Alright guys, so I've opened up the volume profile, and as you see, we have the most volume right here, and we have now broken below this area of high volume. Let me zoom in actually. So we've broken down past this area of high volume, right? We're all the way down here now, right around here. So it means that we are now currently completely running out of volume support, and the break all the way down to our price target is actually looking quite likely. So I mean, look at here, there's no volume left. There's no volume support, there's no buying pressure, there's no selling pressure, nothing. It means that even with a relatively low amount of volume, we can be going now all the way down to the price target. People are going to tell you, oh no, come on, there's still a lot of support here. And yeah, this is maybe our last level of support now. But if we really do continue and we go past the 31,000 US dollar level, we're probably going all the way down. And at that point, guys, well, we've always been saying now we were in a bear market trend since about a week ago. It's been official, undeniable. Well, at this point, if we're going down to about the 25,000 US dollar level, I do think that at that point, you might as well just sit on the sidelines for a little bit, see what's going to happen to Bitcoin, and kind of wait for a moment to start stepping in again, because there's no point investing right now, just seeing everything tank a further 50% and then being left holding the bag. Worst case scenario, we start going back up a little bit and we bounce from like 25K back to 30K, and at that point you're like, hey, okay, a reversal might be happening, and you didn't buy the absolute bottom, but you also didn't lose 50% of your money, right? So that's how I would be playing it right now. I would be very cautious, and yeah, that's the emergency video I wanted to make right now. We need to really wait and see what happens now with Bitcoin. As always, on your holding portfolio, just buy Bitcoin slowly over time. That's probably the best thing that anyone can do. That's what any kind of Bitcoin holder is recommending. All of the governments are coming out right now and saying, oh, look at that, we're actually seeing high inflation. Wow, how did that happen, guys? Because, you know, for the past, I don't know, throughout the whole pandemic, they've been saying, no, inflation is going to be fine. It's going to be staying at like 1 or 2%. And now all of a sudden they're saying, oh yeah, at least 4% and maybe even 7% is coming around the corner. So guys, inflation is coming. Bitcoin is a really good hedge against that because you own an amount of a finite resource. Anyway, you've heard the spiel before. If you want to buy, go ahead and use my Coinbase link down below, but I would say please wait for this breakdown to finish, and at that point see where you want to go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys consider subscribing, because when I do make videos now, they are going to be really, really important videos. So I hope to see you all in the next one, and let's hope the candle is as big as the Burj Khalifa or something massive, Mount Everest, whatever you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's 4:56 in the morning now. I'm really tired. I should probably go back to bed. I hope you enjoyed this update. Make sure to like to let me know that you guys do enjoy these updates. Thanks a lot.